from 5th class.
My name is Shashashini. I am from 5th class. My name is Sadhya. I am from 5th class.
My name is Raha. I am studying in 5th class.
This is my project. My project name is Human Heart. The right atrium or auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the body and sends to the right ventricle through the transpired valve. The right ventricle through the transpired valve contents to empty cells and send the blood to lungs in the pulmonary artery to oxygenate the blood. Thank you.
The oxygenated blood enters back into the left atrium where pulmonary veins are the left atrium contacts to empty its contents into the left ventricle where the prescribed left ventricle contracted and sent out the blood into the artery through active valve. The artery sends out the oxygenated blood to the body.
Our heart is important organ we need to keep